Hey, Debogger here again. Today I'm going to share with you a brief overview of the Divi Theme Builder. We'll start by creating a simple Contact Us page, and you'll see how it will automatically pull in a header image without putting it in the page. It's a pretty nifty trick. Consider how much quicker and easier it will be to create interior pages on your website if you don't have to recreate each and every part of it time and time again. So, let's take a look. So let's create a Contact Us page. We're going to use the Divi Builder and build from scratch. Going to add a section. Good, we'll go full. And we're going to put in a contact form. Name, email, message is good enough. Contact Us. Success message. Thank you for contacting us. We will get back to you as soon as possible. Submit button. We'll just make it submit. We're going to put in the email address. That will come to me. I want all fields so I don't have to worry about that. We'll go ahead and put a basic CAPTCHA. And that's it for now. Update. Normally I would save the draft, but it appears that at one point I started this page, it stopped so I can record it. So we'll preview as soon as it comes up on the guitar. Okay, that's all it took, and it'll work. So you're probably wondering how this is here when I did not add it to the page. A very good question. So let's go back to here, and you can see the only thing we have is a contact form. And yet, this appears. So, this is something very special. If you come down here from Pages all the way down to Divi, and you'll see Theme Builder here, this is where we can create a theme specific for particular pages. And you can see the default website template has this global header in it. So that will show up on every page if I use the default template. Now on my home page, I don't have anything added automatically to the home page. That's complete layout and design of my own, and it's not going to carry across the rest of the web. And then here I have some specific pages, for instance, the gift of how to turn your passion into cash, which is a PDF download, and the download page. I don't want any header or footer or custom body. So what you're seeing on the page we just built, this Contact Us page, is the default template with the global header. So you can build your templates in here. And to show you what it's like, let me just click on New Template. And we will do, let's do all posts. I don't end blog. I don't know that I'll have a blog, but it automatically does the default website template and puts the global header in there. We may not want it, but let's look at it to see what I did. And that, oops, excuse me, that's all I did was add one section, one row, and I added an image. And then I saved it. Save. And when that's done, X. You could put in a custom footer or a custom body, but basically whatever you do in this is the same way you would do it in here, only just use them as sections. Now, if I didn't want that global header, I could remove it and I could put in a new one, which if this is going to be for posts and blog, I would create a different header for it. So for now, we'll just leave it as it is because I'm not using any posts or blogs. But that makes things much easier. And you can assign the pages. As you can see, I assigned, and it would be in the settings. You can assign your pages in their drop-down menu here, or you could do all pages except and choose these. If you have any questions, ask. If you thought this video was helpful, I'd appreciate it if you give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, because we will be covering much more of the Divi theme as we move forward. Thank you for watching.